Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will learn how to buy and selling your online business using Flippa online portal. You can create your website, create online business, and you are tied on the particular online business or you are changing this business. Suppose for example, couple of years ago, WhatsApp are selling his business on Facebook and Facebook purchased WhatsApp application like a 46 billion US dollar. So how to sell such kind of business on online portal? So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. So first of all, open your any types of browser, any smart devices and just type here Flippa and enter. So look at this website are buying and selling online business websites or apps. So look at this, one of my online website is available like sangramsingh.com. I am purchasing this domain couple of years ago and I am spending some money, but right now I am selling this domain because of I am not using this online portal. So where I am selling such kind of domain using Flippa, I am selling this my domain in this platform. You simply click here and look at this here, several of marketplace to buy and selling e-commerce affiliated site. So look at this here, browse top online businesses. Swift.com, they are selling own business, average price is $450,000. Some commercial sites also $300. You can purchase those business and improve those business accordingly your capability and earn money using commercial online business. So several of websites are available here. So you can type here just like suppose for example Facebook and enter. So now Facebook are not selling any kinds of product, but Facebook related some basic informations are available. Track keywords on Facebook pages. So small amount of business Facebook are selling using this group24.net this domain and price is only $2,000. Average age is less than 1 year and the net profit is not showing here. Like this second one options are available like here, recover, delete contacts numbers, Android application, internet advertising less than 1 year and net profit is $49 per month. So here different types of websites also available, like suppose I'm showing you biggest website one like this, Goodknown.com. Goodknown.com is website, business, other monetization. Website age is 3 years and net profit per month 8,137 per month net profit. Average salary, average price of this particular website like a $48,000. It's huge amount. Less than 8-year website, $125,000. Net profit is 5,156 per month. This particular website you can view visiting of this particular listing. So such kind of website is available here. You can make offer, you can say offer like what exactly your offer and to buy this particular website using Flippa. You can fill here information, register and put it your offer here like or $50,000 or $75,000. You can use using this portal. You can negotiable of this particular price. It's very simple. Here how to sell your particular domain, sell now. You can create here and create your particular mobile number like your URL. So starting price like suppose for example I'm putting my URL here. So my URL are not generating any types of traffics or not. I am not selling else. Website online business, yes. So which types of your business, less than 1 year, more than 1 year. So more than 1 year, established website and online business. Let's go. Such kind of information you fulfill here and after added what is your expected amount of selling the particular website or particular portal. That one is an amazing platform to buy and selling e-commerce website using Flippa online portal. And several applications or several e-commerce websites are available here. That is an amazing platform to selling and buying e-commerce products. Guys, hope you like this video. So before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. You have any e-commerce related question, you can comment me on comment box. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.